Step 1. Gather materials. Make sure that you have your Rulon saxophone bow patch and the cleaning wipes that were provided with it. You will also need to find a flathead screwdriver for removing the low E flat and C keys. First, lay your saxophone on a flat, stable surface with good lighting. Next, unscrew and remove the low E flat and C keys and place them safely to the side. Next, use the cleaning wipes provided to reach the low C tone hole and clean the top of the saxophone bow. Also, clean the tone hole edges of the low C and low E flat. This helps remove brass corrosion on the tone hole edges, and it extends pad life. Next, locate the round backer adhesive and remove the white backing paper. Next, slide the Rulon bow patch into the sax bell so it rests at the bottom of the sax bow. Then place the sax in front of you with the keys facing up and the neck socket pointing to you and the bow pointing away from you. Before going on, look at the photo below and notice that once the patch is installed, the Rulon logo should face the E-flat tone hole opening. This is by design, to orient the adhesive so moisture inside the saxophone drains well. Insert your right hand pointer finger through the E-flat tone hole, and then insert your left hand pointer finger through the C tone hole. Use your fingertips to rotate the patch so the Rulon logo faces the E-flat tone hole opening. You can often feel this with your right pointer finger, feeling the embossed logo. Next, gently press the Rulon bow patch up against the top of the bow until it rests into position. Caution: do not press with great force, or you may press hard enough to dent or bend your saxophone. Press the patch gently against the top of the bow for 30 seconds to help set the adhesive. Now, reattach the low E flat and C keys. Next, reattach the needle springs to provide key spring tension so the low C key is held open and the low E flat key is held closed. That's it. Your Rulon saxophone bow patch is installed and you're ready to rock out on your low sax notes. Enjoy!